Hello everyone, myself Jaanvee Singh. I am here from CP15 and representing RNTC. So this was my soft talk and my topic is e-paper technology. These are the contents which I am going to cover in this topic. Introduction, what is e-paper, construction, working, advantages, disadvantages, applications and future of e-paper. Starting with the introduction, the first e-paper is developed in 1974 by Nicholas K. Sheridan. E-paper is also called electronic paper and electronic ink display. It is a display unit. E-paper is flexible. E-paper have a wide viewing angle. It can read directly from sunlight without fading images. What is e-paper? E-paper is electronic ink display unit. It reflects light like an ordinary paper. It is capable of holding text and images. It is flexible while using plastic materials and electronics. It has more comfortable to read than conventional. These are the construction. It has two different parts, front plane and back plane. Front plane consists of E-link in it, and E-link is made up of 100 of microcapsules in it. And further I am going to explain about microcapsules briefly. Back plane is contained electronic circuit in it, and electronic circuit contains a thin film transistor array which provide voltage to e-paper. There is a working of e-paper, and it is a construction of microcapsules which I am telling in front plane. So negative charge black pigment, transparent top electrode, positively charged white pigment, clear field and bottom electrode. So this circle-like structure is known as microcapsules. Microcapsules contains two types of charges, positively charged and negatively charged. Positively charged is indicated with white because of tritium dioxide, and negatively charged is indicated by black because of black ink. These work like to display a word in electronic display in E-link. When the positively charged or negatively charged was given to bottom electrode, the white charge or black charge get exchanged or swiped in itself. So when the black ink comes in the top, the word display, and when the positively energy supplied to the bottom electrode, the word get display or erasable easily. This is a video which I am going to represent or telling in my working.
E-ink's electronic ink enables e-paper displays. The ink is a thin film of microcapsules, each the diameter of a human hair. One display contains millions of capsules. The ink actually rearranges electronically to form the text and graphics. For example, let's look at how the word he is created. Here's a side view of one of the capsules which form that number. The top of the circle is what a person reading would see on the screen. The bottom of the circle is hidden underneath. Each microcapsule contains black and white ink particles which are electrically charged and suspended in a clear fluid. The white capsules are positively charged and the black particles are negatively charged. When a negative electrical field is applied to the bottom of the film, the negative black particles are repelled to the top of the capsule. This changes the area on the top surface to black. Simultaneously, the white particles move to the bottom where they are hidden to the viewer. By reversing this process, the white particles are driven to the top of the capsule, making the top surface appear light.
These are the advantages: paper-like readability, ultra-low power consumption, clarity, reduced eye strain, include graphics. Disadvantages: very low switching speed, electrochemical complexity, slow response to change, problem in extreme temperature and humidity. Applications: electronic books, electronic newspaper, computer monitor. Future scope: researcher found that in just few years this technology can replace paper in many situations, leading us to think a truly paperless world. Thank you.